Hello, and welcome to Text Message Service Tutorials. Today, we're going to see how to enable email to text for users on an account. Let's get started. Log on to your account dashboard using your credentials. Click on Manage Account. If you would like to enable email to text for an existing user, click on the Edit button for the particular user, and then click on Texting Profile. Check the Enable Email to Text checkbox and click Save. You can customize the email to text settings on this screen. To enable the email to text service for a new user, click on Add User. Enter the information of the user. Check the Enable Email to Text checkbox. Select the entitlement group for the user and click Save. Now let's see how to send a message from an email account. In the To field, format the address as country code without the plus, followed by the phone number at texttoemail.net. Enter your message and click Send. This is how the message is received. Thanks for watching.